Most AI systems don't fail loudly. They fail silently, and that is far more dangerous. Today, we're going to learn how to measure, debug, and trust AI systems. Because building AI is easy. The building reliable AI is what separates beginners from professionals. Let me ask you something. If you ask AI the same question twice and get two different answers, which one is correct? You don't know. That's the problem. AI often looks right, sounds confident, but may be wrong. And worse, you don't even know when it fails. This is how trust breaks. Evaluation is not optional. It is the foundation. Without evaluation, you cannot trust your system. You cannot improve it. You cannot safely deploy it. Think of it like this. If you cannot measure performance, you are not building a system. You are gambling. Core idea: evaluation equals confidence. There are three ways to evaluate AI. Let's simplify. Human evaluation, automated evaluation, benchmark testing. Each one answers a different question. Humans check quality. Machines check scale. Benchmarks check comparison. A strong system uses all three. This is the most reliable form. A human reads the answer and asks, is it correct? Is it clear? Is it relevant? Example: a support bot replies to a customer. A human reviewer checks if the policy is correct, the tone is professional. This gives high-quality feedback, but it is slow and expensive. Now we scale. We use metrics and models. Examples: exact match, similarity score, LLM as a judge. Let's say, expected answer, refunds are processed in 5 days. AI says refunds take about 5 working days. Exact match fails, but similarity is high. That's why multiple metrics matter. Fast, scalable, but not perfect. Now we compare models using standard data sets like MMLU Truthful QA, Human Eval. This tells us Model A versus Model B. But here's the truth. Benchmarks are not your business. They don't reflect your real use case, so use them carefully. Now let's define what to track. Accuracy. Is it correct? Precision. Avoid wrong answers. Recall. Cover all correct cases. Latency. How fast? Cost. How expensive? Example: a chatbot that is accurate but slow will still fail in production. So choose metrics based on your goal. Now let's fix failures. When AI gives a bad answer, don't guess. Trace it. Check. Input quality, prompt design, retrieval, if RAG, output reasoning. Think like a detective. Find where the error started. Fix it there. Let's look at typical failures. Hallucination. AI makes things up. Missing context. AI lacks data. Weak prompts. Unclear instructions. Poor data. Garbage in, garbage out. Example: if your data is outdated, even perfect AI will give wrong answers. The system is only as strong as its weakest part. Now, specifically for RAG, 3 checkpoints. Retrieval quality. Are we getting the right documents? Chunk relevance. Are chunks too big or too small? Prompt grounding. Is AI forced to use context? Example: if retrieval fails, everything after that fails. So always debug step by step. The evaluation loop is not a one-time task. It's a loop. Test, measure, improve, repeat. Example, you launch a chatbot. Users ask real questions. You collect failures. You improve prompts. You test again. This loop never stops. Now, tools make this easier. OpenAI evals Langsmith prompt layer. These tools help you track outputs, compare versions, detect failures early. Think of them as your monitoring system. Let's make this real. Customer support bot. What do we evaluate? Is the answer correct? Is it fast? Is the tone helpful? Now measure. User rating, escalation rate, resolution success. This is how companies evaluate AI. Let's simplify your approach. Start small. Define success clearly. Test regularly. Use real data. Example, don't test on perfect questions. Test on messy, real-world queries. That's where systems break. Let me give you one line. If you remember nothing else, remember this. You cannot improve what you do not measure. This is the heart of this module. Now, take action. Step 1. Create 10 to 20 test questions. Step 2. Run your AI system. Step 3. Score the outputs. Then, find the weakest answers. Fix them, repeat. That's how you learn. Here's the biggest shift. AI is never finished. It is not software you build once. It is a system you continuously improve. Winning mindset. Evaluate early. Learn from failures. Combine human plus automated checks. Always close the loop. You now understand something most AI users don't. AI is not magic. It is a system, and systems must be measured. If you can evaluate and debug, you can build AI that people trust, and that is what truly matters.